Embark on a culinary adventure as you craft the enchanting layers of tiramisu, a classic Italian dessert that promises a symphony of flavors and textures. Begin by brewing a strong cup of espresso or dark coffee. Allow it to cool to room temperature. In a shallow dish, dip each ladyfinger into the brewed coffee, ensuring a quick soak without making them overly soggy. Arrange a layer of these coffee-infused ladyfingers in the base of your serving dish, creating the foundation for the tiramisu. Crafting the mascarpone. In a mixing bowl, blend rich mascarpone cheese, powdered sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract. Whip until the mixture achieves a velvety consistency. Separately, whip heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold this airy delight into the mascarpone mixture, creating a luscious and light filling. Spoon a portion of the mascarpone filling over the layer of coffee-soaked ladyfingers, ensuring an even spread. Repeat the process, adding another layer of coffee-soaked ladyfingers followed by the delightful mascarpone concoction. Continue layering until your dish is filled, concluding with a heavenly layer of the mascarpone mixture. Allow your tiramisu masterpiece to chill in the refrigerator for several hours or overnight. This crucial step allows the flavors to meld, and the layers to set into a harmonious union. Just before serving, generously dust the top of your tiramisu with cocoa powder, adding a touch of elegance and a hint of bitterness. Optionally, garnish with chocolate shavings or coffee beans for an extra layer of visual appeal. Savor the Italian. As you cut into this layered marvel, each forkful promises a dance of textures: the delicate sponge of the ladyfingers, the creamy richness of the mascarpone filling, and the bold notes of coffee and cocoa. Embark on this tiramisu creation and immerse yourself in the rich, indulgent flavors that have made this Italian dessert a timeless delight.